Hey guys, Matt from Atlas Precision Consulting here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how to export things from grids within P21. There's a couple different ways to do it. In this screen right here, we're just in the find order search window. If you do your right click in here, you'll notice there's just an export button. When I click on that export button, it's going to download and give me an Excel document with everything that you see on that screen just kind of dumped out into an Excel document. So if you see a right click export and that's your only option, then that's just the way the data is going to come out. Now some windows like this one here in the transaction master inquiry window, if I right click on here, I'll have a services. Now for some reason, if the save as and save as select visible column are grayed out, it's because there's a setting here in the application security under the user maintenance window that enables right mouse button save as. So that needs to be enabled on a user to be able to do this form of export. So once we right click on here, if we do the save as, it's going to be just like that other export we saw where it's just going to dump whatever's in this grid into an Excel document with no thought given into it. Now the option here, select visible columns, you'll get a little UI that will pop up that will allow you to choose which columns you want to select. So I can say, let me pick a couple things here. So these are the things I want. And let's say I want the order number to be first, or maybe I want the order date to be first. So I have my selected columns, I click OK. Now I get an Excel document that is more fine-tuned for exactly what I wanted. This is useful when you're on a grid that maybe has 20 or 30 different columns and you don't want to dump all of that data out. The nice thing about the select visible columns is when I come back here again, I can leave the screen and come back. It'll remember what I selected. So if I come back here to select visible columns, it's going to remember what I did personally last time and kind of remember that, so you can use this quicker and quicker if you do it on a daily or weekly basis, whatever you're doing. So if you guys have any other questions or comments about exporting from grids within P21, leave a comment below. If you want to see a video on something else, leave a comment below or ask a question. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, Atlas is here for your Profit 21 needs. Thanks, guys.